Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, as you can see, we finally got our Spider-Man medal. I actually got 3 boxes. I'm going to open one today on the channel, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I said, I got 3 boxes of this. I haven't been able to pick up any blasters. I pre-ordered these way back when, so definitely did not pay some of the astronomical prices that you're seeing now. Super excited to open this, see what we get, see how we do. You know, I've seen some fantastic unboxings and all, and I'm really excited to do this with you guys today. So let's see if I can cut this thing open and see what we got on this box. I've been waiting, as I'm sure a lot of you who are watching this have for a long time for these, so I'm really excited to get one of these finally in my hands and open it. And I wanted to save it. Let's see, there's a piece of tape right here. Save it for a nice day to open it up and see. So here we go. Man, Spider-Man medal, been waiting for you. So let's see if we can't pull something good here and really make the day. So, pack number 1, Spider-Man medal. Oh, what a way to start off, just even if it's a basic, beautiful Spider-Man card. Next one, Daredevil, gorgeous. These cards are really nice looking. Just to give you an idea on the back, these are the basics. All right, Green Goblin. Oh, there we go. Nice. Dr. Octopus Copper out of 99. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. 77. Oh, let me get that back in focus. Out of 99. Pretty awesome. Whoa. Now we're talking green. That nice green Shriek. There's a lot of foil variants or parallels, but wow, that is really nice. Dr. Octopus Copper. Beautiful Planet Metal. Not a bad way to start the box. All right. That's pack number 1. Here we go. Pack number 2. Let's see. I might be better off just cutting these because I get really nervous about ripping them too hard. Let's see if I cut this. Do it that way. Get this thing open. And then cut it all the way through. Okay. All right. Here we go. We are hoping for some PMGs in this one. Oh, here we go. There's another nice start. Look at that Shadow Box. Gorgeous silk. Skyscraper. Beautiful card. And that is basically one card, just so you know. And then right after here, we've got Alistair Smith. But this one is literally just one thick card. Very cool. Gorgeous one. Wow, so not too bad there. That's pack number 2. Come on, let's keep these rolling. See if this one I can open or if I gotta cut it. Sometimes just depending on the angle I get it. It's probably better if I cut it then. Let's get that down, make sure we're cutting. I am a lefty, which always makes some of this a little bit more difficult. All right, here we go. Pack number 3. See what other hits we can get on this one. All right, starting off, Lizard. Black, what is that? Black tarantula, huh? There's a Hawkeye. Oh, look at that. Beautiful looking scorpion. I really love the metal cards. Spider-Man and Superior Spider-Man. Very, very nice. This one, very nice looking. High series. And then Superior Spider-Man. Oh, wow. Very beautiful cards. All right, so 3 packs in. We're just going to cut this one, not even waste our time. See if I can get that through. Okay. So far, I mean, the sets have been really, really beautiful cards. I know some people have really gotten some nice, beautiful hits and some one-on-ones. All right, so on this pack, let's start off. Mary Jane Watson. Really like that card. Iron Man. Looks like it's got some flaking, as you can see on the card. Some damage up here to the foil. We've got Boomerang. Iron Fist. Jackal. And Chameleon. Now, I am not sure if this is going to be considered a gold parallel or yellow on these, but I think that one is going to be a parallel. We'll put that over here. Take a look after. All right. Next pack up. If I can, man, I am just not going to have any luck with these. I did see some people get some boxes that were complete and utter duds. So it's nice to see some really nice hits. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Are you opening these? Are you keeping them? I typically do 3 boxes. I definitely keep one sealed, and this one's open, and then we'll see what happens with my third one. Here we go. This pack, Aunt May. Come on, let's get a nice PMG. Oh, look at that beautiful blue Vision. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's, and another one with Shocker, but let's just take a look. Very cool. Excuse me there. Vision. That blue parallel. And then it looks like that is also same thing for the Shocker. I don't know if that's the teal or if, but that is definitely not a silver one. We'll put that here for a minute. We've got Beast. The artwork is just gorgeous. Wilson Fisk. What a really cool Kingpin looking one. And lastly, Jessica Jones on these. Really, really nice looking cards. So these, I guess they're a different one. I don't know. I'll have to watch. This one's obviously blue. This one's clearly blue. This one is a different type. I think it's like a cyan or a teal. I didn't look to see all the different color parallels, so we'll have to see. But you guys can let me know down below. This is just fun. It's fun. I haven't been able to open up Marvel cards in so long. It's so nice to do so. The prices of some of these boxes, in case you guys are wondering, are somewhere between $500 and $700 right now for a retail box. There are blasters that they are getting out at Target and Walmart, and I think they're going to be out some other places. Those boxes or blasters are about $30 if you can get them retail. If you can't, you're looking probably upwards of $50 to, I've seen them for $100 for a blaster. All right, next one up, Spider-Woman. Cap. Iron Spider. Wow, that's another, looks like that blue background parallel. Put that one aside. Hammerhead. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. That gold Venom. Wow. And then we got Flash Thompson. Put this down. Look at this one. Wow. That is a really nice looking card. Now I'll have to sleeve some of these obviously after, but what a cool looking one. Awesome. All right. Next one. Let's get that scissor. Very, very cool. Some nice hits in the box so far. Definitely a very, very going to be a very highly sought after set. I'm really excited, on this. Let's see. On this one, different Wilson Fisk. Jessica Jones. And I am not sure if that is a parallel or not, but Falcon. Ben Parker. Oh, look at that. Ben Parker, that grandiose type one. And then Silver Sable. Let's take a look at this one and see. Grandiose. Very nice little hit for that one. Could have been a better character. But nonetheless, still pretty happy to get a nice grandiose in that one. All right. Here we go. Next one up. Let's cut this thing. Get that out of the way. Did I not cut through? Of course not. Why would I? You try and be fairly gentle with these cards because they're so condition type sensitive, in my opinion, with the foiling and everything else. What we need to make this box is a nice PMG. Nice PMG would really make this one. All right, here we go. Let's see. Now we get on this one, Ironheart. Let's get these a little bit more organized here so we're not knocking this off. All right. Silvermane. Captain Marvel. I actually like that looking card. It's actually not a bad looking card. Carnage. Scarlet Witch Grandiose. Very nice. Woohoo. Hold on. Null. Look at that Palladium. Wow. That is nice. And we'll finalize it with Electro on this one. So hold on. Let's check out that Palladium. Very, very cool. Null. 19 of 50. Beautiful looking one. And then let's not forget, we did hit a grandiose Scarlet. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Some nice hits so far in this one. That is for sure. We got a couple more left. Let's see. We've got 4 more left, so maybe we can pull some other ones. Would be nice to get a sketch card. I'd love to get a sketch. I'll take a PMG. I'll take a sketch. I'm pretty happy, though, with this box so far, so let's see what we got here. There's Null. Anya. Black Bolt. Just gorgeous art, guys. You see how beautiful this art is? I mean, it really is nice. Oh, cool Scarlet Spider. And finishing it off with War Machine. Nothing too crazy in that pack. Maybe we're saving it up. Trying to see. Maybe we can pull something else. All right. Let's open this one up. Come on. Come on. Let's get that PMG. Here we go. Rhino. Spencer Smith. Spider-Man 2099. Oh, gorgeous looking card. Oh, guys, I see something. I see something under this. Sandman. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Yes. There we go. Precious metal gem, baby. She-Hulk. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous one. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, awesome. Last one just to see. Let's put that down. Let us look at this. 52 out of 100. And you can see the red PMG She-Hulk. Couldn't come out at a better time with the series and all. Oh, great, great, great. I'm very happy with that. Beautiful, beautiful hit. Let's put that one down. We'll get all that sleeved up shortly. And we've got 2 packs left, guys. So far, so good. I mean, why not? Let's just get that 1 of 1 in here, or that green PMG. I mean, why stop there? We are on a roll. What an awesome box. Awesome, awesome box right now. Guys, if you like this kind of content, I hope you will consider subscribing, liking, and letting me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Are you opening this stuff? Do you like Spider-Man metal? All right, next one up, Mr. Sinister. She-Hulk. Wow, that one, she is ripped. Silk. Gorgeous card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Okay, come on. Spider, just spelled weird. That's a different one. Oh, we got another Palladium. And then we got Magneto. Let's put him down and check out Venom. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous Palladium with Venom. Wow, this is number 46 of 50. Another great, great hit. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful one. Wow, the hits just keep coming on this one. All right, guys, last pack. Last one. Good luck. Come on. Let's take this home with a 1 of 1. That would be really, really nice. All right, let's get this thing out of here. All right. I did see someone get 3 on, I think it was Norin or it was on Spidey Hits, but I saw them open and I saw 3 PMGs in 1 pack. That's not the norm. I wish it was. I wish I'd get that. But I'd be really happy with another one. So last pack, here we go, guys. Moreland. Doctor Strange. Prowler. Agent Venom. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Orange. We're going to end with Mysterio, but look at that. Beautiful orange parallel. 23 of 25 Ironheart, guys. Wow. That is a mega hit. 23 of 25 orange Ironheart parallel. Numbered. Incredible. Incredible hit. That's the way you want to end a box. That is how you want to end a box, my friends. So I'm going to get these sleeved up. Let's just briefly go through these before I do. Ironheart Orange. We've got that beautiful Red PMG She-Hulk out of 100. We've got that gorgeous, copper Doc Ock out of 99. Nice heavy metallurgy card. We've got these, which I think are just parallel ones. And you guys can tell me with the Iron Spider, the Shocker, and that blue Vision, which really makes it pop really, really nice on that. Our two golds, Venom. And I am assuming that it is the Jackal on this one. That is a yellow or gold. This one is clearly like a gold based on what I'm seeing. You guys can let me know. And then this one is like a yellow one. So I am guessing that is the difference, as you can see here. I'll have to do a little bit more research on those color ones because there's just so many parallels. We've got that Palladium Venom. Gorgeous. We got two Grandiose. With Scarlet Witch, can never go wrong. Ben Parker, I'll take it. I'm not going to complain. Those are our Grandiose. We've got that Null Palladium. Gorgeous one. And last but not least, that beautiful Skyscraper Shadow Box with silk. Gorgeous, gorgeous card. So guys, that's one box. I do have two left. It's very tempting right now to open them. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Take care.